now, you know, it's
I was saying that I just read this morning that the largest glacier in Antarctica, it broke off this morning, like the largest glacier. So the
oh, the one that
temperature,
they were looking at for the longest time.
I'm
I
not
heard
sure. Yeah,
there
which
was a
one?
big large of ice is going to break down, and
Yep,
that might cause a raise up in sea level.
I see. Yep, so probably that's the
Is
one then.
yeah. You know, that's gonna be a problem, you know, if it breaks down. Did it break or not yet?
For GJ?
No, the iceberg.
Oh, the iceberg. Yes, in Alaska, I think sometimes like once a year happens or something like that.
Antarctica.
Hello everyone.
Hello, Safran, how are you?
Good.
So now we are all watching what GJ is doing. Nice.
I wish it just comes down, breaks the law. So what's your thoughts about YouTube taking off dislikes?
What's your thoughts on what? Sorry.
YouTube took off the dislikes.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
So nobody can dislike the video?
No, you can't dislike videos.
That's stupid, man.
I know.
The dislike was a part of it.
Exactly.
Like human with no brain.
But you could like it, but you can't dislike.
Why?
I don't know. It just wouldn't show that you disliked it. You could dislike it, but you wouldn't show there's dislikes on the video.
What's the point?
I know. And it only shows the likes. Stupid.
Yeah, it is. Really. It really is.
Bro, it's just
You know,
too
sometimes you
many
dislike videos,
snowflakes.
you don't want to see them. You know.
Yeah. Just people are sensitive.
I guess sorry, I was on a call.
No problem. Hello, what's up, Forex Frank? Welcome. We have a new guest, Mr. Noaf in the house.
Hey, yeah.
I'm about to just grab water and come back.
Take your time.
So, Noaf, have you been trading? Shit, Mr. Noaf, have you been trading?
I'm not these days. I'm looking forward to go back. I'm
Good.
being busy these weeks.
Nice. It's always good to stay in the game. Wow, tomorrow there's a lot of news. Today, 8:30, unemployment claims. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Less than forecast is good. It's less than the forecast is good. So the dollar should be good. Pound should fall. Let's see. 10 more minutes till the 4-hour closes. So, Mr. Farhan, Mr. Sean, Mr. Ali, everyone, if you could send a chart so we could start. Or someone break it down, something.
All right, on its way.
Are you looking for? Sorry, I was on the other line. What did you say?
What did I say?
You guys said something.
Oh, I said if you could send the chart.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
GBP yen.
This thing about to break the high right now.
But then we have a support is resistance.
Yeah, there's a support here. Resistance here. Yes, Mr. Noah. Buys above 154,500. Okay, so what would you want to see over here? A break
Which line?
or a close?
No, close. I want to see a close, because it's probably what's gonna happen is this, and that's what I want to see. I want to see a candle closes here, and then the other candle wick down, and then goes up like that.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it has to wick down a little bit, and then
Yeah. Let's see.
Zoom. Chat. There you go.
Yes, Mr. Sean.
So, yep, the yellow lines are probable trades, yep, but the green ones are like confirmed, I guess.
The yellow ones are what?
The yellow ones, like we can probably take after, like they close outside these yellow lines as well. It will give us this indicate, like for an early entry, the yellow ones are more suitable. But yep, the range is between the two green lines.
Is better.
Yes, of course, yeah.
Okay, why would you say the yellow lines? Like,
sorry, go ahead.
like why is it why would you take it where these are, like the yellow lines, and not over here?
Yeah, again, yep. I mean, I shouldn't, yeah. If we're like doing just one trade, we should probably use that opportunity towards like the best trade.
Yes. So
green would make more sense.
Yeah, where
By
would
the smaller lot size, with the less twist.
No.
And if that's the wrong concept.
Yes. See, Omar? That's
Yeah.
small lot size. No. Don't think about it this way. Just whatever lot size you're gonna go with, just think of it as 10 lots.
Okay.
So can you manage 10 lots? Can you go with a trade knowing that you're positive about a trade and you go 10 lots with it, regardless of the capital that you have or the balance? But if you get to a point in life where you go, right now you see this setup and you want to execute and your position is going to be 10 lots, where would you trust your analysis, like to take it in those yellow lines or over here?
No, I'll probably wait.
Wait, exactly.
It
Yes.
closes the outside this green.
Yes. That'll be best. But don't think about it like just because if you manage risk and you have a small lot size, then it's okay. You know, we just gotta put ourselves in the best position to win, and we just need one good trade, one good move, and then we're Gucci.
All right, so
The second one.
the previous chart.
Oh, you sent another one?
Sorry. Yeah, I sent another one. Shan, you were saying something. You complete what you were saying, Shan.
The chart before this one. On that the support. The resistance is at 300. No, not mine. The other one.
For Mr. Nawaf?
I don't know.
It was mine. It was my chart.
No. Maybe it was your main screen, the one that you share. Yep, this one. So I had my resistance at 154.2, and yours is at 3. So you're like taking it even further and like just making sure that it's closing all the way outside the range.
Yes. To be honest, I would want it to close, like if I want to look for buys, then I would want it to be above this area here.
Oh, that's the 200s.
Like above these candles.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Got it.
Ran, can you open my second chart?
Yes.
Okay. I just added this new. My initial chart, I didn't have this line. Okay, but I've just added it because of this resistance. So what I think is, if it now it has closed above this one on a 30-minute, and the next 30 is just tapping this area. So I think it's going to tap it, break the high, and it's going to go here. But we are not trading the range, so I'm going to wait to come here unless we see the volume. For sells, I would be looking for a break here.
Look
Bring
how
it down.
GJ gonna fly now. Look how GJ is going to fly.
Let's see. Ah, man, it's not even there.
Yeah, go 30. Yeah, it's gonna fly, man. Told you. It closed above the resistance that I made.
But the 4 hour
Went
is still closed.
down.
Still closed like below. Like it didn't make a higher high. So right now, this is gonna have to make a wick. This current 4 hour.
Yeah, this down move, it's gonna be the wick to move up. It's grabbing liquidity and it's gonna go up. Just look at it.
Yeah, so there's a chance that this could come down to 153.940, tap, and then flip and breaks this previous 4 hour high. Then it should continue moving up, but I still wouldn't want to get in.
Okay.
Like, don't get me wrong, this is beautiful setup right here, but I see a downtrend.
If it breaks
This high right here.
the previous 30-minute, the previous 1 hour low, I think it's gonna go down. Other than that,
Yes.
it's gonna continue going up, or maybe stay in the range. No, we will see. Because when you go to the 30-minute, yeah, this is what I was waiting for. I will show you. This is the wick down, and then ta-da. But let's see, maybe it won't happen.
I think it's probably going to tap the 97 area. Yeah, the black line. The same area, 95 area.
Yeah.
I'll be back in a second, guys.
Yeah.
Man, I hate it.
What, the
Wanna
range?
close. No, this drawing part. Come on, GJ, stop teasing us. So did you stop trading GU?
Yeah.
Why?
Why? So basically, it's too influenced by two currencies in the same time, like the London and the US dollar, and they're both active at this time. You know what I'm saying? Like London's still open right now and New York open, so it just too much volatility. Like, for example, if a candle like has to come down and break the low and continue further, GU would come down, break the low, would go all the way up, make some random retracement, and then come all the way down later. Almost every single time. It never breaks the low or the high and continue moving like GJ.
I see.
I remember you tried to tell us before. You trying to warn us. Say GJ is better. But
You know, it comes out of experience. You know, you learn now. And
experience, I know.
No, I mean you. What you said.
Exactly.
It's coming out of experience.
Yes.
It took us 1 year to realize that.
Yeah.
It took us 1 year to experience.
Yeah.
But one thing, our analysis is good now.
Yes. Our analysis got
because-
better.
Yeah.
So we use GU for learning purposes.
Yeah.
Nice. But it's good, you know, that you already practice a lot on GU and now you move to GJ.
Yeah.
How does the 15 minute look like? Open the 15 minute. For some reason, it looks cleaner to me.
Yeah. It does.
So just a new analysis here. Yeah, you made it. I was about to draw it.
Oh. I just
So
saw
this
it. I'm
is
like, shit.
yeah. So this is a clean area. They are wicks, but with the volume and then penetrating above. But I don't know. It's a range. But I'm just looking at this clean move till here. Because if this move was that important, this would have not happened.
Yes. So if we do get this 15 minutes candle to close, like where it's at right now, and the next 15 minutes candle to come up, break the high,
Fireworks.
yeah, it should continue moving up until here, but it's a small range, like 6 pips, so it should be like 3-4 pips easily, and then maybe have some difficulties to continue moving up. GU and GJ doesn't matter, it just needs to break a good structure. You're right.
But GU is messy as compared to GJ in the New York session for a reason that it's GU in the morning is influenced by 2 pairs at the same time, which we realized after a long time. Because if you just compare the GU right now charts, you'll see that it's really messy.
Yes, I agree. 100%.
Yes, sir.
So over here we have a low being broken on the 15 minute. A lot of people
Yeah.
probably took sells. Who's
We
my
would have taken a sell a few months ago.
who?
I'm like, we would have taken a sell too a few months ago.
Sell on what?
I mean, we would have taken a sell here too if we were like few months ago when we were trading.
Yes. With my broker, I have a gap on the previous 30-minute candles. Mr. Forex Frank, I'm tired of your broker not following the Forex rules. So please do us a favor and move to black bull markets.
So are we waiting for the flip? And if the 1 hour wicks are broken,
Mr.
goodbye?
Farhan, I haven't seen a chart from you. I want your analysis. You gotta tell me.
Okay, it's coming.
I don't know, because I really want sales to come through in this new 4-hour. But it seems like this current 4-hour came down to where I wanted to come down, respected the low at the support, and it's about to flip right now. I'm waiting for buys above 154, 240. Excellent. Me too.
I've sent you the chart.
Oh shit. Yes.
So basically, right now this is 1 hour chart, right? So if this kind of flips and break the previous 1 hour wicks, the two 1 hour wicks, it seems to be a good buy. But the thing is, like, then we have a resistance very nearby, like around 4 pips at 154.090, right?
Yeah.
So we don't have much range to take a buy there.
Yes.
Okay, so for a clean buy, if any candle closes above the yellow line 154.200 area, the yellow line, if any candle closes above that area, then I will be looking for a buy.
Yes.
Okay, and for sells, anything a candle breaking these 1 hour wicks at 153.827,
Yeah.
then I can take a sell to the target 153.695.
I agree with this, with the first one over here. For sells,
Yeah.
I would want it below maybe 153.
Yes, I know you're looking for the blue lines. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah, I know. But still, like, if a candle breaks these 3 wicks, 1 hour wicks here,
Yeah.
if right now it goes up, this new 4 hour goes up, make an upper wick, and then come down and break these wicks, I will be entering the impulse entry here for sells.
Okay, sounds good. If this range was bigger, man, I would have taken this. I would have taken this buy if it, as soon as it comes up, breaks the high over here. But it's too small.
Nah, you just draw so many resistance and support and lines. Your chart is so messy.
Yeah, you're right. But right now we want this candle to close bearish.
You see, look at the 30-minute. That's what I was predicting. Breaking down and then goes up.
Yes. It's about to break the previous 15-minute, just broken. See, like, the reason, like, you see this right here, based off the 4-hour, you have like this body right here, 154, fifth, like 60, 154.60. So this is like also a problem. It's a major zone. Let's see.
Mute. Hello?
Yes.
Ooh, last 1 second.
Everyone was quiet for a second.
Yeah, just watching.
Can you zoom out a little bit?
Yeah. Like this?
Yeah, that looks nice. You know, this 15-minute candle shows that the buy is still valid, and except if it breaks the previous 15-minute low, and otherwise it should continue going up. This 30-minute should continue going up.
Yeah, at least till 154, 100.
Yes. And that, yeah, till 160, you mean, right? 50. That would give you 10 pips and then secure 10 pips and leave a runner.
It would need to come right here.
Yes.
135.
Nice.
Nice. If it goes beyond that, we miss the trade.
Yeah. You know, if I'm in this trade, I would be like 5 pips up already.
Yeah.
Mm.
6.
Yeah, if it's 6 pips, you know, secure 60% and put your stop loss on break even. You know, that would be so smart. Beautiful.
Mr. Noah doesn't need us no more.
I need my friends.
Yes. Who's that?
We start this together. You know, we grow it up. Best class ever.
Right? The best class
Yeah.
of 2020.
Yes.
So
Before the collapse. You remember this
Yes.
stupid corona, man.
I know. Still here.
Really hate it.
So someone is named Cablo. So can I take a buy now? That's what he said.
Oh, Cablo, you missed it. you could share us, you could share with us, your analysis, and copying someone else's trade, it's not a good idea.
Yeah. I would say, yeah, take a buy right now. Take a buy as soon as possible. Just press the buy button. Quick. Do it.
I know.
Because that's what they want to hear. You know what I'm saying?
I'm in.
Oh, shit. No.
Just joking.
I know.
So the thing is, like, it was a good buy, but the range is not good, right?
Yeah.
And we're not sure.
No,
Yeah.
that was well clean, but you were afraid of the noises that is on the left side.
Exactly.
know?
Like,
Yeah, and on the left side, if you zoom out a little bit, like it used to be, yeah, like that. I draw my support and resistance different than that. It was a bit cleaner, and I told you guys, this down, it's gonna be a wick down for a candle that goes boom, and we see half of it done, and it may continue, but by now you probably closed around 60% of your trade, and you're leaving it running, like that. It could reverse, but at least you secured some.
Yes.
Yeah, and I understand this area, it's messed up, but we are anticipating the move before New York Open, and that might have, a push up.
Yes.
And
But
confirmation.
you see how, like, it did. For example, if we did enter the trade, it's taken long time to get to 10 pips. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's only between 5 and 6 pips, just ranging around that.
Yeah.
This is something we don't want. We want, like, a clean 10
good.
pips.
It's good. No, the 10 pips clean. It comes out of volatility, But right now, you should wait for it. When you look at the 15 minute, and the 15 minute, it shows that. Continue.
Yeah, I'm saying for a 30-minute, I would want this candle to close above here. The next one to tap here, anticipating the New York volume push. It can go up and break through this. That's what I think. This range is like 12, 13 pips range.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's also not clean as well.
And
yeah.
Yeah, it's not clean, but it's coming into it. More likely, it's more likely to go to the next resistance. When you look to the 1 hour time frame, more likely to go to the. You see, it was like, if you clean your chart just for a minute. Yeah, and as you see here, this here was the resistance, and you see this wick down was for the next 1 hour like this, and when you go to the 30-minute, that's what we draw earlier and told you that they want to see on the next candle looking down and goes up. Yes, it is slow, but we are patient as traders. Sometimes candles moves quicker, sometimes slow, but we have plans. We look for a buys, and we make scenarios based on it, or sells. And we study.
Nawaf, you probably have plans, but we have plans.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking for a sell if it's below this area and buy.
You didn't get it.
No, I didn't.
I said you probably will have plans. We have plans.
Yeah. Oh, plans and plans. But it was good, you know.
It was a good move.
Yeah, it was a good move.
But you know, for us, we kind of lost like trades, trading the
No,
range.
you were in a safe side, because when you look to the left side in the 1 hour time frame, you see the noise is said. This is the whole range, you know. You were afraid of it, and it's good, you know. You don't want to lose, because my buys might not work out, you know. You didn't just copy my trade and because just Nawaf said it, right?
Exactly.
You should be confident, like what that one of the, what's his name, Kablo, so can I take a buy now? You cannot take a buy based on someone else, you know.
Yeah, roasting.
Analysis. No, I'm not gonna roast you. You should send us your chart and what you think. So
Yeah, Mr. Kablo.
we will help you out.
If
We are here
anyone
all
wants
to live.
mentorship by Nawaf, look in the description. There's a link to his Instagram. You can contact him. He's currently charging like $1,000 per course.
Oh shit! You've been busting my account down there. That's why I'm receiving too many
What do you mean?
friend requests.
What do you mean? It's been there for
Jeez.
too long. It's been there since day one.
Yeah. See, beautiful. That's why I was my bias, you know. My bias work perfectly. So, guys, if you watch this, you know, this trade and you anticipate it, just press like, you know, and subscribe,
Yes.
and hopefully you see more of this analysis.
And if you
You know?
press like and subscribe, you'll see of Nawaf more often.
Yes.
Inshallah, yeah, inshallah. You know, that's what I was looking for. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. So, how many pips? 10 pips. 11 pips.
Let's
Okay.
see.
This was my analysis earlier. So, if you want to see a recap and watch it again and again.
No, we don't want to watch it again and again.
No, not you.
We
Not
know
you,
that,
guys.
honestly.
No, not you. It's for those who are new for
Even
trade.
for them, they'll watch it once, bro.
They need a confirmation.
They need to come with, yeah. They'll watch it again and then they'll be like, yes, we need him. So see, that's why we say keep coming more now. So
Yeah, let's see their voice, you know. There are lots of people saying,
You're here today, everyone is speaking.
Yes.
you know, I'm busy, you know. A businessman is on trip.
hey, you know, one of the reasons Nawaf nobody took that trade with is because you don't come here often, right? So nobody really trusted what you were saying.
Yeah.
That's one of the other reasons. Trust me.
Man, my time is so valuable, you know. It's valuable. And this, I told you this out of, you know, experience. So, oh, nice. You see, nice, bro. That's what I was talking about. How many pips? 12 pips. Beautiful. If I were you, whoever took this trade, just close it. Oh, you know.
And if you were us, the YouTube stream would have been closed and we would have said bye already.
Yeah. She would have been done.
We would have been done for the day.
Yeah. Indeed.
No, but like we have learned a lot to not trade in the range. Like, for example, like we see this coming up right now. I would want this to close above here. If it does closes, beautiful. If we do get print a bearish candle over here, amazing. We could take it up till right here. Clean, direct traffic. No
Yeah.
problems. There's a range of, what's the range? How many pips? 17 pips. We should be able to get 10 easy.
Yeah. There's a minor resistance here too.
Where?
This area. On a 30 minute, if you 30-minute. A little up. Just here. This one. This area.
Nice. 10 pips secured. Beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
So any plans on coming into Canada in the future?
I think so. I applied for a visitor visa now. I'm waiting for their approve.
I think the processing time is too long these days, right, Nawaf?
Yes, it is. They said it's up to 126 days.
It was 478 days last time I saw. When did you check last time?
I applied actually last month. Not last month. 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 weeks ago.
Shit.
That's what it shows on their website.
2 minutes. Oh, probably it's a different from different countries.
Yeah, could be.
Open the 15-minute.
It's open. Yes. The 1 hour is rejecting like really hard.
Yeah.
The current 4 hour, like it went to the 4 hour resistant. Also, you see it tapped into here. This one. Now it's rejecting. It's coming down now. So if any candle right now
Just bear with
closes, yeah. If any candle right now closes below here, it's okay. So there are 10 viewers on YouTube. Welcome, welcome. Let us know where you guys from. How long you guys been following this channel.
What's a rejection?
Becky, hello. Start following yesterday. Nice. Hopefully we're helping. Just basic price action. Where you from, Becky? Where you from? Where you from?
Wow, that's a strong 1 hour resistance.
4 hour. You can see.
Wow, also the 4 hour
Yeah.
trend bearish.
Yeah, you see how the 4 hour came, tapped to this resistance here and flipped.
Yeah, I see.
But also this could mean like nothing, you know, if it respects where it's at right now,
Good.
closes, the next one comes up, breaks the high, it's going up. Unless if it closes below this area.
I don't know. I think my day is ended now.
That's it.
Yeah, brother.
You have to come tomorrow
Inshallah.
so you can
tomorrow.
see us win.
Inshallah. And today was my day. You know.
Yeah, you came,
been-
you gave us a win. Good job.
Yeah. It was good. Also tomorrow, inshallah, I will be.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I will see because you know I have Salat Jum'ah.
Yeah.
You know. But you start your streaming.
But bro,
after.
that's in the afternoon. Like right now it's
Yeah.
nighttime.
You never know because I might have a plan. with
His
friends.
salat can go for like hours.
Yeah, because normally on Friday I don't trade. I just hang out with my friends or
Yes. Take a
my
break.
family. Yeah. And it was a nice day. you
For
know.
sure.
Thank you, Noah, for coming and
Yeah.
giving us the analysis. And
And thank you
Giving us-
guys for switching to GJ.
Yes.
I think you were waiting for that. That's why you said, okay, they're not doing GJ, I will not come now.
Yeah, that's what we thought.
I really missed you guys.
Yeah, we miss you too. You gotta come more often.
Saeed knows that.
Yeah.
Yes. We used to talk, and you know, he's very busy these days.
Yeah.
Yeah. You remember, guys, when I used to do GJ analysis and share it with you, and man, we are doing GU and then GA, and then you remember
GN.
those days? GN. Oh my goodness. The best time we traded the oil. You know, we covered our losses. Oh, that day cannot be forgotten. It was beautiful.
Nawaf, if you start talking about oil, Farhan is gonna Farhan is gonna quit the stream right now.
You're not alone, bro.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah, that's why sometimes you should come with the strict rules. You should implement it in your trading.
Facts.
You know, I don't trade gold. I don't trade oil. You know,
No more.
no more. I see Rakil, mashallah. You know, he's doing very good at gold.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, he's doing very good, mashallah.
this
I
month
see.
so far is, I think, the highest month ever so far.
Yeah, I saw his like more than 80,000.
Last year, he did the same thing in May.
But still, it was less than what it is right now.
Maybe, but around 100K it was.
Yeah, but yeah,
When was his birthday?
May. Today's the birthday, his birthday.
Oh, today his birthday?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. So I think last year he made like 30K on his birthday, or like 20K. I'm not sure.
15K.
15. Yeah.
He went really heavy.
I think he's 34 now.
35.
Yep.
35.
Yeah. He was 34 last year.
Okay. Because I remember I'm like when I'm 34, I'm gonna have to reach that point.
He's 87.
It's 87. Yeah. So he's 33, turning 34.
Or yeah.
Okay, guys, have a good day.
Take care, Mr. Nawaf. We'll see you soon, hopefully. Enjoy your day
Thank you,
and
brothers.
Friday.
Yeah, take care.
Bye now. Take care.
Take care, man.
Hey, everyone.
Peace. Yeah, when I'm 33, I'll make 15,000.
Half million a month.
Maybe not 15,000, like not that much, just a little more.
Yeah, 500,000 at least. Come on.
Yeah, 100K,
You have a long time right now to go to 34.
100K.
Come on.
You know, it all takes one trade and you lose everything. no matter how much you make, and you can also take one trade too.
No, we will put a stop loss.
Yes, we have to. At that point, in that life, you have to put a stop loss.
I learned with oil to put a stop loss.
I wonder what oil is at right now.
66, 65.
Crude oil.
Imagine, Noran, I had a buys from $18.
Crazy. Yeah, that was bullshit, man. I don't know why they made it go to negative. I have old lines on there since ever, like 40.
I would have paid off my car by now if those buys were working.
Fuck. Easy. So, what is it? What do we have here? 15-minute. We have new 15-minute just started. Let's look. So far, it's been making higher highs and higher lows. It's like an uptrend right now.
Might make a support here.
Right here, right?
Mm.
Ooh, Mr. Raji took a trade. He withdrew 40K. About. Let's go. Ricky was trying to celebrate. Let's go.
How do you know he's in a story?
Yeah, it showed like a minus balance. Rikil's trying to turn up. I like how he puts music with his profits. It's coming down. feel like the volume died. So we'll hang out till 10:30 a.m. EST, and then if nothing happens, we'll call it a day.
Sure. Open the 15-minute. Ooh. Ooh. No, anyways, you have traded for the day anyways, right?
Who?
You.
What, last night?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's the same date.
same date. Iron FX. Join. Ultimate affiliate competition. Become an affiliate. Let's see this. The fuck? You could trade Forex, metals, indices, commodities, future shares. Platform MT4. They probably have higher spread. Low spreads, okay. What the fuck?
It's about to break the previous 30 soon.
Oh yeah?
Like it.
Lo- These guys, they're saying low spread, but they have 4 pip spread on GJ. Oh, I forgot they have a dentist appointment. Shit. This 1 hour closing in 2 minutes, closing bearish.
Ooh. It's gonna come to the support.
Right here, right?
And further down. Broken on hourly. So if it comes and breaks the low of that support, I'm probably gonna enter.
Those wicks right here?
Hmm.
Yeah, that's what Mr. Farhan said.
Where is Mr. Farhan?
I don't know.
I'm here.
Nice.
Guys, you're not trading inside the range, right?
No.
Nope. That was the reason we never took the buy.
Okay.
Nawaf doesn't know the pain we went through when we used to trade the range.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the thing is, we might would have taken the trade today, might would have worked out too, like, but and then we would have been looking for it again.
Yeah, exactly.
What's loud?
What was that horn?
Somebody's phone.
Did you guys hear the horn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's strange, I was on mute.
Yeah, where was that?
It was
There's,
vibration.
there's some construction going on. So every time like they're blasting something, they horn like 3 times before that.
No, we heard the vibration.
I see, okay.
What if it's like a war horn? The
It's
alarm.
exactly like that.
Do you guys know that the Israeli military, the soldier makes 3 times more than the US soldier?
Really?
Yeah, they make 10,000 a month.
Wow.
Crazy.
And they have like the best equipment as well.
The best what?
Like the weapons and stuff.
Sorry, the best what?
The weapons and
Yeah.
the military technology, it's the best as well.
For sure, it's better than the US. They fund them like this. He's like, here. You need it more.
All right. Did you get vaccinated yet?
No.
Mm,
Are you?
I did.
Well, I'm just about to call because they're offering it in here.
Yeah, at my work too. They're saying you could, because there's a the whole hospital or like the nurses are coming to the station and they're gonna poke everyone, give them vaccine.
So you're like not ready for it yet?
Nah.
Man,
I'm gonna
I'm
get,
confused as well.
Learn, get it done, I would say.
I'm gonna get sick. Why would you say get it done?
It's better to get it done. Seriously.
But why?
Like the
Because
thing is
everyone else is.
like I have seen some cases who got this thing without vaccination, and with vaccination, it's a huge difference.
Yeah.
Yep, honestly.
Did you get vaccinated yet, Farhan?
Like it's really busy here. I got the appointment for next month.
I see. Which one are they offering over there?
This are like we are just giving, one is banned, right? So Pfizer or the other one?
Moderna.
Yeah, just these two.
Yeah, they're offering Moderna over here.
Like I just want some, like the government or whoever created the vaccine to tell me where the virus came from. Once they break it down and they let us know where the virus came from, that should give us like clear idea that they know where the source is coming from, to know how to like manage it, you know.
You're never gonna know that.
Exactly. And they're never gonna know the side effects as well.
No. That's the thing.
And like it's only been a year, you know. Most vaccination or anything that's in the medical industry, it's at least like a study for like 5 to 10, 20 years.
Correct.
And but the government, I just don't understand, like they're rushing the whole process. It's like, get vaccine quickly, as soon as possible. I don't understand what's the rush.
Yeah, that's the thing. We have to decide what to do. I mean, if you're going to take it at some point, like for instance, after 6 months or after a year, like if in a way if we'll be forced to take it, like for instance, if we won't be allowed to travel outside of Canada or things like that.
See, in that case, like if I want to travel and they tell me I need a vaccine, then I'll do it. If I'm sick and I need the vaccine, then I'll take it. But like I had some people telling me, you should take the vaccine. I was like, why? And they're like, you can't travel. But I'm like, it's not even open right now. You cannot travel either way, even if you take the vaccine.
Yeah.
You know, like how about they say, okay, the border is open right now, you could travel, but you have to take vaccine. Then I'll be like, okay, I'll do that. I'll take the vaccine.
But rest yesterday I was reading they're probably introducing like vaccine passports, which mean in order for you to be employed, your employer would probably need that. So imagine all your colleagues are getting the vaccines, right? They're all vaccinated, and you're one of the ones who are not. They'll probably come up and say, "Oh, we don't feel safe around Noran because he's not vaccinated," and then eventually probably need to get it. So this is how they're gonna play around, basically.
Yes. So like how do I know they're gonna open up after vaccinating a lot of people the border? I'm not gonna take it on faith.
No, no,
But
I'm not saying about the borders, about the workplace.
Yeah. Oh, like if it's
And
mandatory?
even for the traveling, this thing will be compulsory. And even with the workplaces, it will be compulsory. Like you can't opt it out, and they will make you do it.
Shit.
Seem like they'll make you wear the
And the
mask.
thing is, like, Naran, there is a one question I always have, like when people were debating about should we get this one or should we get that one, you know, like all all our kids used to get vaccinations, like some get it like on 3 months, 6 months, 1 year,
Yeah.
all this. We never asked them like what are you giving them,
Exactly.
from where it is coming from,
Yeah.
like which company it is.
That's facts.
We never asked.
No.
We just asked them like what is this for, that's it.
Yeah. I remember. I
Yeah.
remember I took a shot back 10 years ago and I didn't even know what it was.
Exactly.
You give me a
And
fever.
even the thing is like with these flu shots.
Yeah.
So even with these flu shots, if we're going and getting a flu shot, we don't know like which company is making them, and we just know it's a flu shot. That's it.
Exactly. Yes.
So I don't know why people are like so much into these companies and stuff.
Yeah.
And honestly, like I've seen the difference. So I would say like if you are getting a chance, get vaccinated. It's okay.
Yeah, and again, when people say that, oh, you know, they're gonna track you down, or probably they're gonna play with your DNA, well, if they want to do that, there's so many other ways, man. They can just put something in the drinking water. Trust me.
Yeah. That's
Durham
true.
region, Malton region, the Peel region. They just go and put in the main source of the water. Everybody drinks it.
Like what they could have done too. Like I seen this movie. It's called Contagious or Contention. I don't know what the fuck it's called, but it's about. The movie was made in 2010. It's about a virus outbreak in China. Exactly like COVID. Like they just broke it down, and
it was in China too.
It was in China too, and it comes from a. They showed you at the end of the movie how the virus started. It started from a bat eating a banana from a tree, and then it took a shit in the farm, and the pig came and ate the shit, and then the pig got slaughtered. But the chef didn't wash his hand, and it was just dirty and everything, and then that's how it started basically. But one way was to cure everyone, like on Earth, it was through water.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? So water could, if they want to do anything, they can just do it with the water. And to be honest, if a chef doesn't wash his hands, regardless it was through a pig shit or anything, people will get sick.
Yeah, regardless. Facts.
Regardless.
Well, what if a better virus, better vaccine comes out, like a V2 of Pfizer, for instance?
Bro, this is not trading that you're looking for a better spot.
Even Shan, the thing is like every time they have a new variant, right? And they say like it will work on this variant and maybe it will not. And the second thing is like what I have noticed overall, everyone has a different immune system, and this thing, even if you get sick, like you get sick in a different way.
Yeah, for sure.
So even if you are vaccinated, you can get sick. If you are not vaccinated, maybe you don't have any symptoms. So it's a very long debate.
Yeah.
And again, how do you know that the next vaccine is the better? You'll have the same question. Yeah, you'll have the same question for the next vaccine. That what about anything that comes better than this? And then you'll be in the same circle.
Yeah. There's always better. That's for
There's
sure.
always better. Yeah, so you would not know which one is the better.
Well, Trudeau gave a statement yesterday that the Canada-US border will open up after 70% of the Canadians are vaccinated, and I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon.
See, like that's bullshit. How did they know this 70% of the population has been vaccinated? How? Like
I mean, through the medical cards and everything. Right?
No, but there's still people coming into the country.
No,
like
he's talking about the residents or citizens of the Canada.
I
like
know.
the Canadians have 70% of the Canadians have to be vaccinated in order for them to open up the border.
The borders are open, right? People are still coming and going.
Yeah.
Like it's not open.
Yeah.
Like,
it's only for the essential travel and the immediate family members and stuff like that.
Yeah,
right?
people
not
who
for
live here.
visitors.
And they also like check whether you've taken the COVID test or you've been vaccinated or not, and stuff like that. But the normal would be that any person who has been vaccinated, for instance, from any side of the border, they can just pass. No need for test or stuff.
Yeah. Facts.
Yeah, so Narand, if you don't take it, I'm sure now they've been lenient with people not taking it. Same like they were lenient with the masks in the start, but I think eventually they'll be very strict within
Honestly,
the organizations.
to be honest, I don't think Canada will get to a point where they would fire you from a position to inject something in you. Like I think at that point that's against like the Canadian law. I don't care if it's a virus or if it's a nuclear bomb. Like that's
Yeah,
they cannot
but
fire you. They cannot fire you if you don't take it.
well, they'll come up with something that they will fire you. I think the way they're moving, they'll say that we don't feel safe for you to be around other employees. I mean, their card to play with would be we can't put the other people in on risk only because you're not vaccinated. So they'll say we are saving 10 and getting rid of 1, something like this.
I'd be like, yo, so kill me then.
They'll put some camps for people who don't take it.
Probably.
Yeah.
All right, so votes are 2-1. I'll go ahead with the call then.
Well, you were thinking not to take it?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I was confused. I'm still confused.
Like so this week a lot of people at my work, they got like shots, right? Most of them, they got sick right after taking the vaccine. It just a little bit mild sickness, you know, like
Yeah, that's normal. Yep.
yeah, it's normal. But like just yesterday 2 people had to go home after being there 3 days. Like they just really couldn't feel well, you know, like they left work.
You know, again, as Farhan said, it's everybody's different immune system. Like I got it, my wife got it. I've got 2 other friends close. They got it. Nobody had anything at all. The only thing was just a sore arm, which is normal after every injection or any vaccination. It's a common thing. Like you get a sore arm for like a day, and that's it. So
Sore arm?
like you feel like you're stress in your muscle. Like it's because of the injection, like a needle, right? And it's common even if you get any other sort of injection, right?
Yeah.
If it's in the vein, then there's no pain after that. But if it's in the muscle, then there's always a pain. So that's the only thing that we felt. So I think it's down to everybody's own immune system.
Facts.
And probably you see. Okay, another thing is you have to understand that when you get vaccinated, your immune system comes down and you're very vulnerable for the first 1 week, right? So chances for you to get COVID is more because your antibodies or whatever they say something, right?
Yeah.
So you have to be careful for the first week. And I think when they took it, they were still coming out working and this and that. So probably they got the bug. And people are blaming it on the vaccine.
Yeah,
It could be a possibility.
you're absolutely right.
So that's what we've been told, that when we take the vaccine, we should be a little more careful for at least first week or something.
Man, we need a person of authority who knows this shit to tell us that don't take it.
I'm here as the person of authority.
No, like honestly, based on Canadian laws, you don't have to. If you don't want to, you don't have to take the vaccine.
I know. Yeah.
You know what? Me and Farhan tried our best. Now it's up to you guys.
I'm probably gonna go ahead with it. Yeah.
Yeah, and again, convincing Sean for anything, it's a marathon. It's not a. You have to give him like hundreds of logic, and then by the end of it, you get yourself all confused, right? So
yes,
he no matter how much you tell him, he'll still go and do his own research. So Sean, go and do your research, and let me know so I can be prepared for my next shot.
You gonna take 2?
You have to take the second one.
No.
Yeah, it's part of the whole package, man. That's part
Yeah.
of the big
What
line.
the? There's 2 packages.
No, yeah, I mean, the first one is now, and the second one is in August. They gave me the date straight away.
Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the efficacy it's developed after, like for instance, the Pfizer and Moderna, they're around 95%. So it's developed after the second dose, like 2 weeks after the second dose.
So there's no point taking the first one at all?
No, the first one, like it would give you like 35, 40, maybe 50% or something like that.
Well, the people there told me that the first one will give you up to 90%.
Okay.
And the second one is the same dose actually.
It is the same dose, but if the first one is giving you 90%, then what's the purpose of giving the second dose?
10%.
To make you more solid.
It's confirmation.
Confirmation, right?
No, the second one is the it needle. The final one.
Yeah.
The thing is, we don't know what needle is for what, man. So it's a big debate. Just get it done.
Just get it done.
Right, yeah.
I mean, Shan, tell me something. You know, I'm sure Momin is younger. He got vaccinated a few times on different things. Have you ever checked? As Farhan said, no, but you ever never checked what is this for? What's in it? XYZ.
Yep. Remember the conspiracies in Pakistan regarding the polio vaccine?
Exactly. The polio vaccines. People still have those conspiracies, man.
Yeah, the only reason, like really, the only reason why I'm taking it because I don't want to regret at a later point. For instance, if I get COVID and it gets worse, and then I think, oh, I should have taken it. I think it all comes down to that.
Yeah. Like this is, I mean, that's one of the reasons I don't want to take it, because a lot of people want to take it for reasons they don't have. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would only take it if I'm get sick or I need to travel. Those are the only two options. Or if I need to work for money. But honestly, it might not be that bad. It might just be the government just trying to give us some little vaccine. Get us sharp, man. That's it.
If you guys would have not heard about all those conspiracies and everything, everybody would have been good. It's just those, the media and everything, and this people, they've created this whole mindset, right? Otherwise, everybody is thinking about it. If Uncle Ted was not talking about it, I would blame 50% to these two guys.
That's true.
Right? If we hated Uncle Ted for some reason, for not being a good trader, we would have said, I'm definitely getting the best. Only because Uncle Ted said it.
That's true. Facts, I agree.
So it's about...
So this thing is not doing nothing today for sure. Like, it's just ranging. It's not looking very good. I say let's call it a day, guys.
Let's wait for 6 more minutes, man.
Alright, 6 more minutes. But I don't think it's gonna do nothing. I just have dentist appointment coming up soon. But people on YouTube, thank you for coming. We'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Enjoy your day. Peace.